Ipin, butang apa ni? Entah. Cuba kawan-kawan tekan.
Top 10 Animal appearances. Supporting characters like Opah, Tok Dalang, Rose, Muthu, Salleh and Ah Tong make a big impact on the Upin and Ipin storyline. Beside all the human characters, the animals also create memories and stories in Upin and Ipin's life. Number 10 Squirrel.
Shoo! Huh?
The squirrel's appearance in Upin and Ipin adds humor and brings the story forward. The squirrel is often portrayed as mischievous as it likes to steal food, either from fruit trees or straight from people's hands.
Habis dia makan rambutan tu.
Number 9 Bird. Upin and Ipin are twins who love animals. One day, while playing with kites, Upin and Ipin find an injured bird in the bush. Upin and Ipin show their humanity by keeping the bird and taking care of it until the bird recovers.
Dah siap.
Number 8 Goose. There are a lot of geese in Upin and Ipin. They are everywhere. For Upin and Ipin, nothing good ever comes from encountering geese. Whether or not the twins have done something to make the geese angry, in the end, they always get chased by the geese. Number 7 Bats. Bats are nocturnal creatures and sometimes have a way of hanging around in people's homes, literally. Upin and Ipin learn about bats for the first time when encountering them hanging upside down under the roof of the veranda. And a good thing too, or they would never have known what it was that scared them out of their wits in the room the other night. Number 6 Praying Mantis. One of the twins' favorite insects, because there is a Malay rhyme to go along with playing a game with this little critter. The rhyme asks the mantis how people sleep. The mantis will then show them, sometimes with very funny results.
Tengok! Apalah jadi ni?
Number 5 Si Polan. Not many people know that this yellow frog is the icon of Lescopop production, and most don't know that his name is Si Polan. Si Polan makes recurring appearances in the series, sometimes interacting with the characters too. Number 4 Upin. Upin and Ipin once had a kitten named Upin that they found on their way back home. Upin and Ipin decided to keep it because they felt sorry for it and found it really cute. Upin is a dream pet anyone could have. It waited for the twins while they were at school, greeted them when they got home, and even snuck inside to sleep in their bed at night. All made it harder for the twins to let Upin go when its mother came along. Number 3 Spider. In the earlier seasons of the Upin and Ipin series, we often saw Upin, Ipin, Fizzy, and Mael playing with spiders named Karos, Mr. Man, and Mael Champ. They brought the spiders in matchboxes to school. Number 2 Sappy. Sappy is a cow owned by Muthu. She can always be seen near Muthu's stall, grazing the grass there. She makes an appearance in Lescopop's first feature film, Gang. The adventure begins as Muthu's son Raju's cow, who carts the kids around the village.
Lagi makan rumput, tapi nggak ada orang jaga.
The number 1 spot goes to Rainbow. Kaso aku! Rainbow is Tok Dalang's pet rooster and is also somewhat of a troublemaker who likes to steal shoes and slippers. Although caught every time, it keeps stealing, causing chaos for everyone in the village. And that for today's Top 10. Be on the lookout for more fun facts on this popular animation. And click on the subscribe button to be the first to get more celebration updates. Happy 10th anniversary, Upin and Ipin!
Kawan-kawan, jangan lupa subscribe YouTube channel kita orang. Betul-betul-betul.